My name's Tania, and I'm a third-year medical student at Imperial College London. I have a particular interest in women's health and global health. I have presented my research at conferences in the past, and I've also written for the Royal College of Tropical Medicine and Hygiene. So if that's something that maybe interests you, then I'm more than happy to take any questions. And just a little bit of background about why I'm very passionate about this course is that when I was a prospective medical student myself, I attended a very similar course to this one, and I really benefited from it. And I think I'm very lucky to say I'm in the position that I am in today. And I think that together with my team of Toby and Flavia, who will introduce themselves shortly, we've designed a very specific course for all of you, where you'll be able to learn and understand what medicine is and develop some of the skills needed to get into medicine. So if Toby and Flavia want to introduce themselves.
Hi everyone, so as Tania said, my name's Toby, and like Tania, I'm also a third-year medical student at Imperial College London. I'm really excited to be able to teach you today and to be a tutor on the Get Ready for Medicine online course. I attended a similar course when I was applying for medical school, and it really helped me, and it definitely helped me to get to where I am today, speaking to medical students and to doctors, and to help me make sure that I was really performing the best, and as part of the admissions process was just fantastic. And in terms of my specific interests, so I have a profound interest in surgery, and in particular in trauma and orthopedics and burns and plastic surgery, as well as in emergency medicine. And I have a strong desire to pursue a career practicing medicine in the military. So if any of that is of interest to you, it'd be my pleasure to talk to you some more, to give you some hints and tips in the one-to-one tutor sessions as part of the 3-week course. Over to you, Flavia.
Hi everyone, I'm Flavia, and I'm a second-year medical student at the Royal College of Surgeons in Ireland, which is located in Dublin. So I'm really excited about this course, and I'm really glad you all could join us today. So we really tried to base this course on our own experiences while applying, while going through med school. So really we're trying to just give you applicable tips and knowledge that hopefully will help facilitate your process while you're applying to med school or transitioning into going into med school. And a little bit about my personal interests. I'm interested in anesthesia and intensive care, if you are want to ask me about that. And you can also talk to me if you're interested in either med school in Ireland or if you're interested in becoming a doctor in North America.